Welcome back to the Docket Dodgers, everyone. My name is Matt Hager. I'm a criminal defense attorney practicing in both West Virginia and Kentucky, and I'm joined today by...
Wade Hall, law student, and I'll practice wherever they hire me.
You don't discriminate?
I do not discriminate.
Okay, so Wade, today we're going to watch this guy. He's from out of Utah County, Utah. And I first seen this on Southern Drywall, and I thought this would be a great one for us to watch. You've never seen this video before, have you?
I have not. Seems like a lot of people have, though.
What's he got on there? 22,000 views? Yeah, well, I'm sure even more on Southern Drywalls. I'm sure he's got even more views than that on it. But this is an original video that he had linked on there, so I thought it would be a good opportunity for me and you to look at this video and see what we think about it.
Well, the first thing I noticed, his car looks like a Facebook Marketplace find, and legal advice, you're more likely to get pulled over.
Oh, yeah, they actually have a whole seminar on what cars to look for, what would be a suspected drug car. So this would be one of them. You can tell by this discoloration on the roof, you're getting pulled over.
That's right. Poor people commit more crime.
All right, so here we go.
What?
Roll the window down a little bit so we can talk to you.
You're talking to me just fine.
I can barely hear you.
That's a fucking personal issue, I guess.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
I do.
Can you hand it to me?
No. What crime have I committed?
Well, you're being non-compliant right now.
Yeah, because I haven't committed a crime.
All right, right out the gate. Do you have to roll your window down?
No, you do not.
No, there is no law that you have to roll your window all the way down. I've actually seen YouTube videos where people put their license and their registration up to the window. But there is no law that you have to roll your window all the way down. And he's correct. And you can, as long as you guys can communicate back and forth with each other, there's no law that says your window must be down. Already he's doing a great job. He's off to a hot start. The officer asked for his ID, and he refused. Wade, do you think he's correct in refusing?
Well, as long as the officer cannot articulate a crime he's committed, then he's well within his right. It doesn't look like he was driving at all before this video started. He seems to be just parked here in a field.
He's just chilling. He's just chilling, and somebody come and knocked on the window and says they're being non-compliant because they don't give their ID.
Okay, so let's talk.
So
I'm gonna film you. I'm gonna
ID
film you for my
yourself.
safety. Huh?
I'm asking you to ID yourself. You're sitting behind the wheel of a vehicle.
That's
You're in control of a motor vehicle.
that's off.
So I'm asking for your driver's license.
And I haven't committed a crime, so I'm declining that.
All right, go ahead and make it harder on yourself.
Okay. Like, I haven't even done shit. They just barely got up here.
And
Isn't that the classic line when you're in contempt of cop?
Oh yeah, they're gonna find something.
Go ahead and make it harder on yourself. See what happens.
Well, the cop could easily run the license plate and know exactly who this person is.
Yeah. Not only that, do you see that body cam on that bulletproof vest?
Does my man have an AR mag on right now
Look at that,
to
man.
do some speeding tickets?
He's ready. And you think that body cam's on, or is that just for decoration?
That's just a good luck charm.
you, man. Why are you being so uncompliant?
Because I never had a good experience with cops. I've always been like fucking racially profiled or some type of, like right now, first thing that whatever fucking dipshit said, his eyes are glossy. I haven't smoked in God knows how long because I'm fucking trying to get a job right now. Like I'm literally staying sober so that I can fucking have a better chance of getting a job.
Okay, so roll down the window and talk.
And homie just comes up and says, oh, he's smoking weed. Like, yeah, go fuck yourself.
Guaranteed, if he rolls in that window, that guy is going to smell an odor of marijuana.
Oh, yeah. Or they're going to drop a ball and have a dog say, it magically figured out what was going on in that car. But
here's a treat.
It seems like something happened before the video started. Seems like there was another officer involved.
I haven't even done
Roll down the
shit.
window and talk to me.
I'm talking to you right now.
Okay,
Okay.
so roll down the window, talk to me. We can have a real conversation.
We're having one right now, aren't we?
No, not really.
Okay, well,
Trying to dock through a window, a closed door, and a tinted out window.
it's pretty open. We can hear each other, so that's all that really matters. You can see my hands and shit. I ain't doing nothing. I haven't committed a crime. Y'all haven't like, I don't know. I don't know why three
He's
of
talking
y'all
way
pulled
too
up
much.
on me when I haven't done anything. I was about to get out of my car and just go on a little hike.
Sticking to his story, though.
Clear my mind. I literally have my book right there, too. I was going to read my book while hammocking and shit.
Okay. You can still go on a hike. Go read your book.
So what do you guys want?
We just patrol the canyon areas and we stop out and talk to people.
All right. Well, we're talking.
So, that's all.
All right. I'm not like...
But you're acting so completely opposite of what the average normal person we deal with.
Oh, there's
It raises
suspicion.
Suspicion.
I ain't
Oh,
that
he's
person.
suspicious.
My man is a little
Criminal
hostile.
history,
No. I do not.
because you're acting like it.
Well,
Hey, I just got a question. Is being suspicious a crime?
In the United States, I do not believe so.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, so if you're not doing anything wrong, you don't have anything to fear, then why are you acting so non-compliant?
Because I don't fuck with 12.
Because what?
I don't like police. For reasons like this, you feel?
Is your name Patricio?
It is. Patricio, yeah.
Patricio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that Italian?
I would assume Spanish.
No? How old are you, Patricio?
I don't gotta answer questions.
Oh, there you are, finally.
You in like your 20s?
I'm getting there.
Huh?
Getting there.
Getting there?
Yeah.
You 18?
Y'all got my name, right? You can search it up. I'm sure of it. Got my plates, like...
Huh?
You got my plates.
Yeah.
You got my name. I'm sure you could search it up in your guys' system.
Not really, because the reception up here is horrible.
Well... Yeah, that's true, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he said that we're just talking, right?
Yeah.
So would you think this is a consensual encounter, or do you think he's being detained at this point?
I would say the cops would say it's consensual. The fact he can't really open his door and leave, like,
Yeah, I don't get the sense that this guy's free to go. Do you?
I think if he tried to like walk away, they would have a problem with that.
And we can't see the cop car, so we don't know whether the lights are on or not. But if the lights were on, that would be a detention.
Yeah, but like I said, this car was parked here at the beginning of the video. I'd like to see how they got here.
Right. It sounds like to me that they're out looking for crime.
Well, keeping the canyon safe.
We sit on the car. We'll sit up the road and watch it.
Yeah.
Got nothing else to do.
All right. Have fun, dude.
All right, you guys have a good one.
I think they want to do a little pretextual stop on him whenever he leaves, though.
Fucking pussy.
Look at those trucks that they're in.
They're nice.
Taxpayers.
Oh my god.
He just did a big sigh of relief. He did good.
Yeah.
He talked a little bit too much for my liking, but he did good.
Yeah. Wish he was a little. I like it when they're more polite to keep the high ground.
Holy shit.
You can see he's worked up, though.
Yeah, that was a high, tense, stressful moment for him, for Davinio. But, I mean, overall, he did a great job. He hadn't committed any crime. Like we said before, if you're not committed a crime or suspected to commit a crime, you don't have to show your ID.
No, that is completely true. And, he did what you're supposed to do. Ask what crime I've committed and lock them into their story at the beginning of the conversation.
Yep. All right. Well, good job, Davinio. Hey, guys, please give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button. Comment below. We want to make this go viral. So if we can make this go viral, if we have your help, we're going to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching Docket Dodgers. Until next time.
Yeah, help me pay for law school.
I love how you do the little bits at the end. Yeah. That's so awesome.